Basically today I will be explaining what is a Spring controller and how it works. Now let's dive into tutorial. So what I'll do, I'll create a new package here named controller, and inside the controller, let's say I want to show hello visitor message to every visitor who visit a specific URL. Okay, so for that, first of all I'll create a new class named, let's say, greet controller. So here in this class, to serve a REST response, I have to add an annotation, which is REST controller. If you want to serve a specific view page like a JSP page or HTML page, you can use controller. If you want to return REST response, then you will be using REST controller. And since I have added REST controller, so every method in this class can serve a REST request. So let's write a method first, which will be returning a greet message. Method will be public, returning just a string. Name of the method is greet visitor, and currently no parameter. I'll discuss about the parameter in later tutorials. So here now I can just return simply a message, hello visitor, have a good day. So I've just written a method, but how it will understand that this specific route or a specific route will be serving this method. So for that we use request mapping, or for a specific request, get mapping. So I'm using request mapping annotation, and inside that annotation I'm passing this slash hello. So our code is okay. Now if a request come to the Spring server and from base URL, let's say for this localhost, and the URL is localhost / hello, then we'll be getting this message, hello visitor, have a good day. So let's run it and test. And one other thing is, you can also use this annotation in class, so that all the method inside that class will have a common prefix before the method specific URL. So if I use this method like something like at request mapping test, then the full URL for every request in this class will be test/hello, test/hello2 or something like that. Okay, so since we have run our project before writing this, our URL will be just hello. So I'm going to my browser, localhost /hello, and we can see that hello visitor, have a good day. So that's it, guys. This is how you can serve a REST request with Spring Boot. So if I run this, then my URL will be test/hello. So in that case, let's start the server, let it be complete. My server is complete. If I refresh, I see white label page error, and if I update the URL like test/hello, now I'll be seeing this. So this is how you can write a REST request and send response. In my following tutorial, I'll be explaining how you can service repository, model and database and everything to serve a professional REST response with lots of processing. If you want more similar helpful content for you, if you want to learn Spring or Spring Boot or MySQL or Java, so don't forget to subscribe and like it. I'll see you in the next video.